So the next activity, you guys are doing really well, okay? I'm really proud of you. I want to show you a couple ways Robbie tried to solve this problem, okay? So he looked at the same problem that I just showed you, and here's a couple ways that he solved it, okay? When I show it to you, I'd like you to think, let's see if I can think. I'd like you to think about what he did, and what advice would you give him, or what would you tell him, okay? So he took the same problem here, and that was his first try, okay? So look at what he did and study it. All right, when you're ready, tell your partner what you think he did, what he was thinking, and what you would tell him. Okay? I know. What time is the bell ring? Oh my God. So should we just show?
Kind of fast. Okay. And then I would get onto that.
Okay.
They should do that.
Okay.
They're going to know this. I mean, I wouldn't even give them that much time.
Okay. All right. Okay. When you're ready, look up at me so I know you're ready. All right, who'd like to tell me really quickly, because we have other posters that we want to get to today, what was Robbie thinking and what would you tell him? What was Robbie thinking, what would you tell him? Okay. Julian? Okay, why? So he was getting 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, and he got 36. So he thought this 36 square units, instead of being the area, the way Jericho said, what was he thought it was the perimeter. Okay? Do you guys agree with Julian? Yeah? Okay. He tried it a second time. Okay, we're going to go through this part quickly. Study what he did, and then tell your partner really quickly what you think he did and what you would tell him.
Oh, I think that he added 36, 36, and 36, and 36 4 times because he's confused a lot. So that would mean he multiplied 36 by 4. Yeah. He doubled one side is 36. Yeah.
All right. Angelique? And the outside, so instead of it being the area, when you say outside, what does that mean? The edges, so maybe he thought 36 was the whole edge or just one of the edges? The whole edge, okay. How did he get 1,296? He added that plus the area. Okay, that's one possibility. Many other ideas that he might have done? Jericho? He multiplied 36 by how many edges? So by 4. Maybe 36 by 4 to get that. Okay. Any other ideas? Any other ideas? Okay. Alex? He multiplied 36 by 36. Yeah, and if I had given you more time, I saw a couple of you writing on your paper, testing whether or not 36 times 36 would have been that. I wish I gave you calculators so you could have checked it. But yeah, this student actually did 36 times 36. Okay? Or not this student, Robbie. Okay? His third try. Okay? His third. Okay. Third try, he decided to try again because he's a good math student. He's hardworking. And he knows that if he doesn't get it right the first time, he's going to try a different strategy. Okay, so this is his third strategy. Okay. Think about it and tell your partner really quickly.
It's the same, so you could probably show them both.
Okay, yeah. Okay. I'll actually show you both. So talk about both with your partner. Okay. What was he thinking? What would you tell him? Is he on the right track?
That doesn't make sense. And the fourth try, he made he changed 9 into 6 to make it easier, but then he's gonna make it long. And then he's gonna think that he's gonna multiply 6 by 6 and he'll make a 36, but it has 4 sides. So.
What do you guys think the 6 means? What does 6 mean? The 6 inches.
When you're ready, look at that.
That.
And then who'd like to tell me what Robbie was trying to do in the third and fourth try, and what advice you would give him? What advice you give? How about Cassie?
He was trying to find this. He finally understood that the 36 inches was the area, and you had to find the perimeter. So he found since it's a square, he found the square root of 36, which is 6, and he checked it, and he got 6. So he thinks the sides are 6 inches.
Okay, so where would this? So he got the square root of that. Okay, where would the 6 be here? What would it represent?
On every single side.
On every single side there was a 6. Okay. Is there anyone else that wants to add to what Cassie shared? How does that picture then, somebody different, how does that picture show me what Cassie just said? That Robbie thinks that this is 6, 6, 6, and 6. How does a picture show it? Okay, Julian?
The picture proves that 6 times 6 equals 36.
36, okay. How do we know how many squares are in there? 36. There's 36, okay. Is he close to the answer?
He is.
He is?
There.
Okay. Who can tell me why? Why? Did you talk about that actually with your partner? Okay, talk about with your partner really quickly. Is he close to the answer? Okay.
He is close to the answer because since 11 is endless, he got the limit was 36. Yeah. He multiplied 6 by 6 and he got 36. Yeah. But
When you're ready, let's look at Alright, who'd like to share what you and your partner talked about? Either what you said or what your partner talked about. Okay? How about Brandon?
Because 6 times 6 will equal 36, but for perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
Why?
Because you got to add the 4 sides and they're all 6.
Okay, what would that be? 6 plus 6 plus 6, 24. Okay. Do you guys agree with Brandon? Brandon, right? Okay. All right.